Hi there, it's Marina here. I love making projects with flowers, laces, in pinks and generally with a lot of romantic notes. I want to give a lot of love and brightness to my projects. But when it's time to make something for a man? Well, today I am going to show you how to make an accordion album vintage step by step. Here I am going to build the base of the album using a medium weight chipboard. Its thickness is 1.5 mm. I am using a T-shaped ruler because it helps me to stick them straight. I leave a 5 mm gap between the covers and the spines. I am going to cut with my scissors an angle, measure over 4 mm from the cover of my chipboard cover, and using my scoring tool, I score all around to fold the paper over the base more easily. I am now using a score tape and some liquid glue for the corners. For the two spines, I use 2 pieces of black cardstock. You can use a big piece for the hole inside, but for me, when I have a big album like that, I prefer only 2 pieces to cover the 2 spines. It's more easy in this way. With a bone folder, I gently score here where the spine is, and very carefully because we want to avoid the papers cracking. Now it's time for the decoration of the outside covers. I am using digital paper collection. I print the papers on a classic inkjet printer we all have at home in a form of A4. All the links of the products I used are down below in the description area. I am going to mark with a pencil in the middle of my front cover to make a hole with my crocodile and then to decorate with a metal gear and a gold brad. I pass a black thread all around the brad and make a knot. Then I cut the edge and wrap 3 or 4 times my album. We don't stick a decorative paper in the middle because we are gonna make the accordion pages and stick them there. For the pages, we need 9 sheets of black cardstock. We mark with a pencil on 14.5 and 15 up and down, and we make scoring lines with the scoring tool. We follow the same procedure on all 9 pages. We varnish well with the bond folder. To follow an accordion fold, I am placing the first piece down, I am putting liquid glue in the second piece, place it on the top of the first one with a gusset, look on the right side. The next piece, I am going to stick it with a gusset, look on the left side. The next one, I am going to stick it with a gusset on the right side, and I follow the same step to create the accordion fold. Now that I finished my base, I will decorate with scrapbook papers. I'm gonna need 21 sheets of scrapbooking papers. I am not going to stick any paper on the bottom of my accordion pages because there I'm going to put liquid glue to stick it in the middle of my album base. We can put 84 photos, 9 by 13 centimeters. It's a special gift for your father, your son, your husband. Collect favorite moments and stick them on this vintage album. Now I'm choosing a simple decoration for my front cover by using 2 stamps with my black archival ink. That's it for today. I hope it was an easy tutorial for you. Don't forget to leave me your comments down below and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye!